Hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our live show and welcome to Perfect Laser. I'm today's host, Fiona, and our show will begin now. Are you ready? Okay, first, it's my great honor to be here to take the opportunity to introduce Perfect Laser to you. Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of the industrial in the laser and CNC equipment since 1995. And we have 20 years history. And our main products include inkjet printer, dot peen marking machine, laser cutting machine, laser marking machine, and we have all our machine. We have got the certificates such as ICE, ISO, RUS certificate, and which certified by the international inspection institution such as CE, SGS. And plus that, we have a professional team as well. Our teammates, 95 of our teammates have bachelor and master degree. So we can provide you 2 hours quick response and 24 hours after sales service to all the world to you guys. And besides that, we have 63 national patents. And for our core technical achievements, we reach the international professional level. So you have no worries to buy the machines from us. Okay, so today we are going to introduce you the hot selling of the inkjet printer, and we will show you how to choose the inkjet printer. And before that, I want to introduce you about the promotion the policy from our live streaming today. Okay, are you guys ready? Let me show you guys. So first, the first rule number 1 benefit for today's live streaming is if you recommend one new buyer to buy the machine from our company, you can enjoy the very good value, which worth $100. You can get a free parts, which worth $100. It's a very good deal. And plus that, let me show you more benefits. The coupons. In our today's live streaming, we prepare lots of coupons for you. And you can check in our product list. So you can click it. And let me introduce you first. So I will go closer and you can see clearly. So first, if you order more than, can you guys see it clearly? Yes? So if you order more than $3,000, you can see here, you can enjoy $50 discount. And if you order more than $7,000, you can enjoy the discount, which worth 100 discount. So it's very, very good deal. So guys, if you are interested to our machine, don't hesitate to place your order today because all the coupons are valid in our today's live streaming, okay? And plus that, please guys, can you see it here? Can you see it clearly? Yeah, so you can see the follow button. So please click the follow button and subscribe our channel so you can find us easily next time. And one more thing, when you are watching the live streaming, please don't forget to give us a thumb king. Send us your likes. Click this button, okay? All right, and besides that, we also prepare you lots of lovely gifts for you guys. So you can see the coupons in the products list. And now I'm going to show you the products. So as you can see here, so if you order more than $3,000, you can enjoy $100 business card. And for this, upside down. And for this one, if you order more than $5,000, besides the coupons you can see in the product page, you can also have this beautiful, lovely gift as an extra benefit. Let me show you one by one. So this one is 3 pieces. Can you see it clearly? Yes? So this one is a 3 pieces unit. So the first one is a very nice notebook. Let me show you the details. So you can write notes on it. It's very convenient. And besides that, we also prepare, can you see the pen? Yeah, let me show you guys. So this very lovely, beautiful red pen, you can really, this is a real pen. You can write it, okay? And besides this, we have a USB. So let me show you. So for this USB, it's very cute, sweet, and we also can provide the service for you. We can mark your own logo for you, okay? So this is the extra benefit for if you order more than 5,000. And if you order more than 7,000, look, it's very great, right? So for this one, this is a set of tablewares, which you can see is lovely traditional Chinese porcelain. So it's very cute, and you can enjoy your dinner or your meal with your family. So it has 8 pieces. So all these benefits, the gift and the coupons, you can all enjoy from our live streaming today. So if now let me give the time to Miss Autumn. I'm going to invite our professional sales manager to introduce our first product today, the Inkjet printer to you. And Miss Autumn is very professional in this field. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate. You can leave your message on our screen and we will answer your question during the live stream. And also you can chat with our sales manager, okay? Okay, now let's welcome our professional sales manager, Miss Autumn.
Hello, Fiona.
Hello.
Really appreciate your gesture presentation. And hello, everyone. This is Autumn, and I'm so glad to have all of you watching my live streaming. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave your message in this live show, and we are happy to answer your questions. And also, a little bit wrong. Okay.
Yeah, just 1 second. The mic
Yeah,
just fall
wait,
down.
because good things need time, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now.
So yeah, today we're going to introduce, and Miss Autumn is going to show you and introduce the detail about the inkjet printer.
Yeah, as we all know, the inkjet printer, or I can have one question for you before we present the samples, okay? So, how do you think, what is the function of inkjet printer?
I think for me, like very simple, just print the thing through the ink, right?
Yeah, that's perfectly right. However, from my opinion, I think the inkjet printer actually can use to record the information, right? As well as to label the objects for identification, right? So we can see that inkjet printer can be used, actually can be used in many different industries. Because let us see that first. Fiona, could you help us to get these samples? Okay, thank you so much. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, the next question may be what kind of goods or what kind of objects need that information? I think in my mind that of course is the consumables, right? On the one hand, for the audience or the consumers, they need those when they're buying something before they're purchasing, they need to see those products or goods with valid information on their production, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So that they can to assess the quality of the goods, right? And on the other hand, for those companies, how do you think why they need this information? Yeah, that may be a little bit difficult. Yeah. I will illustrate that. It's actually because for them, they have to make some branding and marketing, right, to expand their market on their goods. So they need those information, but it relatively related to the slogans, the logos. So when people can see those goods with the logos, oh yeah, they can remember that is the company, right?
Yeah, very helpful information.
Yeah, that's right. So that's why we need those inkjet printer to get the printings on the products. Okay, now let's see. Only a small part of the inkjet printer's samples, right? Okay, first let's see what kind of products can actually use those printing. Of course, the first thing is the food and daily necessities, right? Because it's it's closer to our life. Yeah, so we can see here there are some bottles because one thing we can remember, one thing we can remind our the things related to the information is the bottle, right? The beverages, the drinks, they need, yeah, you can see they need the information, yeah, on the seal, because when you see this bottle, you often see a words like the date of production on the seal, right? Yeah, just like this bottle. Yeah, so we can clearly see the production date, as well as sometimes you will give the, yeah, this is like the production date. And how about the next one, this one? Okay, this one is the logo. However, we also can see some batch numbers or the serial number, so as to accelerate the manufacturing process. Okay, and this is only a small part of the beverage or the brewing, because we can know that they can actually made by some glass bottles, right? This is plastic. Yeah, I thought we can also have some glass bottles like this. You can also get your juice, right? Juice or even vinegar or something else inside of this bottle. So as we can see, there are many different types materials to make these bottles. So our inkjet printer, yeah, can satisfy the demand for these materials. They can not only they cannot print on the plastic one, right, but also for the glass one. And even, yeah, let's see, well, yeah, this is also the plastic one. And even some special materials. So you can leave a message if you have any other special materials for the bottle making. Just let us know. We are happy to let you know if it's okay to print by our inkjet printer. Okay, so that's all for the food and beverage industry. And however, let's see what is another industry that may use our inkjet printer for the daily necessities. You can just, yeah, take a guess. Yeah, that is the stationery. Yeah, this is the stationery, the folders. Yeah. Of course, you will see the notebook later. Fiona, could you please show it later? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No problem. And you can see this is different from these bottles. You can see normally we only print things like the serial number or the production date, right? Just some numbers and characters. However, for this one, what is the difference of the printings?
The cute cat.
Yeah, show us clearly. Yeah, this one even have the beautiful or fancy graphics. Yeah, that's right. Because you just take to imagine that what kind of information will be printed on the folders. Normally, the manufacturers will choose to print the relevant information on their manufacturing on a small piece of paper here, right? They will not print again the serial number on the folder directly, right? So they may choose something different, like the graphics, like something creative, right? Like the slogans, the beautiful words, or even some special fonts, because you can see these fonts may be different from these fonts. So I think, from my opinion, for those customers in the daily necessities, especially for this stationery, they will choose inkjet printer to print something more innovative. Yeah, to show their special design and to attract the consumers to buy it. Yeah, just think about if you are a student, you are choosing the folders. Which one do you like? A one with a creative design and with some special printings on that, or one without that? Yeah, of course I will choose this one. Yeah, so I think this can be a recommendation for you guys. You can actually print some special things on your stationery, like the pens, like the folders, the slip case as well. Yeah. Okay, that's okay. After I say that, I even have another imagination, right? Because talking about the creative things, it usually applied in those stationery. However, it can also apply in the packaging and paper industry, right?
Wow.
Because yeah, you can see the packaging is even more attractive and exquisite. You can have all your beautiful, fancy imagination to create, the surface, the appearance of the bags, the plastic bags, or the fancy packaging or the special paper like the envelope. Yeah, so Fiona, you are going to show this with us.
Yeah.
Here is the envelope. Yeah, it's the envelope made by the paper materials. However, you'll find it's used a totally different fonts, right? I cannot say, I don't know what kind of fonts it used, but it's like a flower fonts, right? So customers who are making this packaging, special packaging or diverse packaging or even the paper industry, you can use, is there any problems? Okay, you can, and this have even a leaf here, right? Yeah, have a leaf here, so you are no longer to print the serial numbers or dates, these boring numbers and characters. Yeah, you can get something special, get something different. Yeah. Okay, and this is all for the paper and packaging industry. Okay, let's see another part. Okay, as we have talked about the things that we eat, the food, right? That we drink, right?
Yeah.
And how about what we can use by these bottles? That is the chemical products. The chemical products. What you can think? What you can think is is there any questions from our customers you can show us, and we are very welcome for any new friends here. Okay, so I think about the pharmaceutical products. Yeah, here it is. The pharmaceutical, on the package we can print the information about the production date. Yeah, here.
It's here, I think. This one.
Oh yeah, just
The barcode.
Yeah. We just make samples with our logo, perfect laser. Of course, you can choose to print something else. And this is only the package of it. And inside of it, you'll see the plastic bottles. So you can still choose to print the relevant information on this plastic bottle. Okay. And now let's come to the next part. This is the chemical things. The one is pharmaceutical or is cosmetics. It's really useful for us because when I using a cosmetics, I firstly to check the date if it's over valid, right? So let me see where. Oh, okay, here. Yeah, it's very clear and very obvious to find out the production date. So consumers, when you are using this, you will feel safe. Yeah. Okay, now let's come to the next part. I think we have talked a lot about the daily necessities and the products related to our daily life. And how about this one? This is actually often seen in the construction industry. This is a tube, right? Or we can say it's a plastic pipe. Actually, for plastic pipe, it even have different kinds like PVC, ABS, PPR, PE, and so many other types of the plastic bags. But that's pipe. But that's totally okay because all these plastic bags can be printed by our machine. Yeah, and you have shown that it's like
Arabic.
Arabic. And as well, you will see we can not only print the numbers, but also the information related to this tube, like the description of the tube, right? And as well the name or the content or no, I can say the pattern of this tube. Yeah. Here, and parameters as well. Yeah, you can see that clearly. So this can promise that when this tube is operated outside of the workshop in some harsh environments, it can still be clearly seen by the operators, the engineers. Okay, so let's see what else we can see here. Oh, okay, this one. I think this let me remind the usage of our inkjet printer for the board, because it's usually used in for the logistics, right? Logics and the express industry. Yeah, because they need the cartons, big cartons to contain the goods. Yeah, to contain the goods and to print the again the dimension, the serial numbers, the production dates on the surface or on the body of the cartons. Yeah. Okay. So I've talked a lot about the usage, the industries, the materials related to our products inkjet printer. So why not give you a whole conception of the whole series of our industrial inkjet printer. So Fiona, thank you so much for the presentation, and now let's see. Now let's see the whole series of our inkjet printer. Yeah, the inkjet printer. The whole series of our inkjet printer. Yeah. Because you have already seen there are many different materials can be done by the printers. You have to know that there is no one printers can meet all the demands of our customers because materials are different. That means the functions are different. The advantages are different. So we have several series of inkjet printers for different usage. Okay, let's see. First, we can see here is the compact inkjet printer, and by seeing the code of them, nearly all of them is 1000. This is the 1000 series, as well as this 2000 series. For this part, they have the relatively high resolution for us. So if you are the consumers who need some stricter requirements on the printing, you can choose this series. And for another one is the handheld inkjet printer. It's relatively smaller. Yeah, you can see here. Wow, this one is the smallest. It's the portable mini type. Despite it's small, but the function is various. So the price is relatively expensive as well, because it uses the good technology or the great technology, so it can actually link to your telephone, and you can use it by just operate on your telephone with a app inside of that, and link to the Wi-Fi. So it will be totally easy for you to control the whole operation, the procession of your inkjet printing. And here you can see the 600A is the one that we're going to digitally introduce. Okay, here the two of them. Oh, this one, the 600C is the handheld large character printing. The keywords is a large character. For the whole series, we actually have the 1 to 4 lines, 1 to 5 lines, 1 to 6 lines on small characters inkjet printer, as well as some large character printer. And this one is a special large characters printer. If you need some large words, you can choose this one. It will definitely suitable for you. And for another thing, let's see. This handheld type or the portable type, this too only fits for the small characters. Okay, so let's come to the next series. Just make a brief summary. The inkjet printers have some handheld type as well as some desktop type. and some small characters type and some larger characters type. So here you can see this is that's the top type with, I just mentioned 1 to 4 lines, 1 to 5 lines, 1 to 6 lines. You can choose the one that you need. If you need as many information as possible on your products, on your objects, you can choose 1 to 6 lines. And here you can see also we have the 360-degree printing inkjet type. It means that all direction can be carried by our inkjet printer. It will be suitable for you if the goods is irregular. Okay, now here is it. Can you see that clearly? It's the egg printing type. It's actually developed by us and our loyal Taiwan customers. We developed together to have this egg printing type, especially for different types of egg. So it will accelerate the production, and you will see this one is without a belt, and we even have a belt, so it can enlarge your production and to improve your efficiency. Okay, and that's all for this one. Oh, and this one, I have to mention this. This is the white color type. Normally, the inkjet printer only fits for 5 different colors. That is the black, red, green, yellow, blue. These 5 types. However, we even make a white type inkjet printer for some customers who need the white color on their objects. Okay, that's all for this one. Thank you. Okay, now next series is the inkjet printer with the conveyor belts. Here it is, the 900 series. You can see here. Can you see that clearly? This is this is the printing head. Here this is the printing head. Actually, normally we only use one of it. However, you can add max 8. Max 8 has to accelerate the production and to guarantee the maximum production for your goods. Just like emergency, we have to produce as many as possible in some few days. Okay, here we have Okay, thank you. Okay, that's all for the whole series introduction. So now let me give you a brief introduction of our first samples for you. The first samples is 600A. Before we see what it looks like, let's see a brief introduction. You can see here. Okay, this is a high-resolution portable inkjet printer with 4.5-inch color touch screen. You may not get a clear conception of this. I will show you later. It supports the online touch ID system and printing trademarks or pictures by importing from the extra USB. Okay, what we should mention is it has the compact machine body, really. After you see that, you will know why I mentioned this. And you can see here, it has the 360-degree printing for the convenient usage. And we have this one, the cartridge for quick drying ink. It's supporting the black, red, blue, yellow, and green one. So this is not the white type. It cannot print white. Please remember, if you want the white type, you can choose another one. And you can find the details in our live streaming by click the product page. Okay, and this here it feels like a base, but actually it is battery. This is the battery, for tele holding and also for charging. Okay, now let's see. Now let's see what it looks like here. Here we go. Here. Let's see this. This is 400A. It's really tight for me. Yeah. And it's really light, tight and light. Here we can see this is the 4.5-inch screen here. So you can easily operate this before you, can you see that clearly? Yeah, before you printing. And you can edit, you can edit the images or the numbers in case you want to change something. So you can flexibly operate it just in here. Okay. And also you can see this is the slot, the cartridge slot. What it will be in here. Here we have, yeah, this is the cartridge. We just put this cartridge in these slots. And here you can see this cartridge head. So let the head at the top of this machine, and then yeah, you can fix this. And also we have, yeah, here we prepared you 2 cartridge in case one is not adequate for you. Okay. And here you can see the charger. Yeah. This is the charger, and as well as the battery. Okay, let's see, where is the battery? The battery is engineer is the battery here.
I think it's on the machine.
It's on the machine already here. Okay. Okay, the battery have already, yeah, here. Maybe you will find it's a little bit different from the pictures we have shown it to you, but this is the battery and it's already installed in this machine. And yeah, we can use it without the machine. I think the charging time is 3 hours, and you have 8 hours standby. And as well, you can charging it when you're operating with or without the charging. This can always operate under the operating circumstance. Yeah. Okay. Also, we prepared you the cleaner. Yeah, the cleaner, because you know it's really important to keep the head, to keep the printing head clean. So sometimes after you use it or before you use it, you should clean the head here. Okay, now let's see anything else here. Okay, the last thing I should emphasize is about this one, the packaging box. You see the packaging box is aluminum with alloy with the plastic materials. Yeah, here. And inside of it, we have the foam to protect our items or to the different parts of it. And you can just close it when you are not using this. And it's easy for you to carry this. Always carry this with you in case you need to operate something immediately, right? Okay, now let's welcome our engineer to make some samples for us to let us see how it works. Let's welcome our engineer, Mr. Zhang, right? Mr. Zhang, let's welcome our engineer.
Hi.
Okay. Is there any new friends here? Chin, welcome. Chin, welcome. Ali, Angding, Karesh, welcome to you. And Brian Lee, welcome. Wow, so many new friends here. If you're interested in these products, please let us know. And today is a good chance for you to get one of it because we have some fancy promotion policy.
And if you guys have any question, you can send the inquiries to us, and we will answer you just in the live streaming. And for the promotion, we have so many coupons prepared for you guys. Like if you order over $3,000, you can get $50 discount. And if you order more than $7,000, you can get $100 discount. And we have very cute, lovely gifts also in our live stream.
Okay, now let's see our engineers operating. How can we open this? Okay. First, we can see here is the switch, and then this is the interface of this screen, and then we can we open
Maybe
the
get a little
files.
bit closer.
Yeah, closer.
Yeah.
Okay. And we choose the correct documents. Open it. Then we can see the images we are going to print. And it's a lion. Okay, here. Yeah, we are waiting. Oh, okay, here. We're going to print it on the folder. Okay, let's do this. Wow. Wow. It's less than 1 second, I think. Can you see that clearly? Oh, here you can see it's a
Very
lion.
cute lion.
Yeah, it's a lion. I can even see its fur. You can see this fur is clear, and no waste. Oh no, no waste ink in my hand. No waste ink in my hand. Okay, so let's see another samples. We're going to do. Okay, this time the materials is wood. It's the wood material. Okay, again we will print the line on this wood. Okay. How about the wood? How about the line? Okay, we want to get some line here. So before that, we can see here is the barcode. The barcode on this wood materials. So you just have a positive association. This can be the carton, right? And you can get your barcode as well as the serial number and the production date on this carton. Okay, now we have seen 2 samples made by our products. So let's see the maintenance. How to? Yeah, do you see that? Can you see that clearly? Yeah, okay. The maintenance is really important. I have to mention that again. I have to emphasize the maintenance on the cartridge maintenance. Okay, here we'll just make a brief introduction because the nozzles are too important for that. So before and after we use this machine, we have to use the swab and non-woven to clean the surface of the nozzles and then cover it with a special cover. Okay, for the cartridge maintenance, please see here. Okay, this is some words are wrong, but please just listen to me, okay? Please do not open the package of ink cartridge if you do not use it temporarily. Once the package open, the ink you can see the volatile. So it's really important to close it down when you are not using this. And also do not clean or wipe the nozzles with something hard and rough. It's really fragile for us. We have to protect very carefully. And another thing is please clean the nozzles with swab. Okay, I have said that before. And do not shake the ink cartridge to avoid generating the bubble affect the ink quality. We all know that the ink quality is pretty important for the printing, right? So do not shake it. In case it will generate some air like some air or bubbles in this ink. Okay, so that's all for this maintenance. And next thing is we have already seen the maintenance and the samples. How about the features of our products? The features of the inkjet printer of the PM600A Yeah, the features we can see is here. So after we see the features, we will print you some more samples, okay? Okay, you can see that clearly. Okay, the features is no ink waste because you will not see the thinker inside of it, right? So there is no need for the extra thinker, and the box of ink can print 2,000 multiple fonts, and as well more than 30 kinds of printing fonts are satisfied. No matter they are Chinese or English or even some dot matrix fonts and some special fonts, they can just be implanted by the manufacturer, and you can save it in the USB, and we just you can see this. And plug your USB in this USB port, then it will be available for the computer to transfer this logos or trademarks and so on. Yeah. And also the exquisite packaging, I think you have already seen that it's really light and fashionable with the good design. Yeah, and for some other inkjet printers, the packaging often are made by the cartons. Only this one is made by the aluminum sheet and as well as the plastic. Okay, now let's see some else samples made by this. Okay, let's see some samples made by this machine. Let's welcome the engineer to make some new samples. Okay, this time is the paper carton. And what patterns we are going to print? Okay, this time is again the barcode. We can see that. We can see that before our printing. Okay, you can do that.
Okay, let's see. It's super fast. I think it's less than 1 second. You blink your eyes and the barcode already be on the cardboard. All right, let's have a look. So this one literally just now, like a second ago, made by our engineer. Can you guys see it clearly? I will show one by one, okay? And have a look here. Okay, have a look here. So literally, if you want to make any barcode, you can set up the image in our machine, and then you can just print it on any materials you want to print. Okay, now let's, because our engineer needs to prepare some more tools and the ink, because one ink for one machine. And for the product we're showing right now is the link number 1, PM6008. Okay, so and guys, remember we have so many benefits and coupons preparing for you in our live streaming today. And please don't forget to give us a like, please. And please don't forget to give us a like if you are watching our live streaming right now. And so let me introduce about the coupons for you one more time, okay? Okay, all right, let me fix my microphone first so that you guys can hear it clearly. Okay, so first, and you can see so many coupons in the product list. You can check it there. And let me show you first. So first, I'm going to go closer, huh? So if you order more than $3,000, you can have the $50 discount, which is really good deal. And remember, all the coupons are valid during the live streaming. So guys, if you are interested, don't hesitate to contact with us, and maybe you can place the order during this month, and you can enjoy so many benefits. And if you order over $7,000, and you can enjoy $100 discount. And one more thing. If you recommend a new buyer to buy the machine from us, you can enjoy the free parts which worth $100. It's very good deal. And plus, one more thing I want to show you guys is about the warranty time. So normally the warranty is 12 months, but in our today's live streaming, it will be upgraded to 24 months, which is 2 years. It's very good deal. All right, so now let me show you guys the gift. So first, if you order more than $3,000, you can have the free parts which was $100 as the extra gift. And if you order more than $5,000, plus the coupons you can use directly when you purchase the machines. And also you can have the benefits, which is the lovely cute gift. So this one is the 3 pieces unit, and this is the traditional gift. It's very Chinese style. And we have the lovely pen as well, the red pencil. You can see it clearly. And plus that, we have another one, the cute USB, the very cute USB. So for this one, if you want to get any logo or special sign, like especially for you or for your friends as a gift, you can send it, tell us, we can make it for you as well. So it's really good deal if you just place the order during the live streaming or during this September. Remember, all the coupons and the gifts are valid during the September, okay? Because just in order to thank you for watching, thank you time for staying with us, and thank you. And we're celebrate the September shopping festival, so we prepare all this for you. And this one is the extra gift for you. If you order more than $7,000, you can enjoy the coupons and the very cute tablewares. Can you guys see it clearly? Yes, and it's 8 pieces. And it's traditional Chinese style, Asian style. So it's very nice. I will show you guys one more time. Yes? Okay, so now I will invite our Miss Autumn again, once again, to introduce more detailed information about this inkjet printer to you guys. Okay, let's welcome Miss Autumn.
Yes, we have seen several samples of that, right? Okay, thank you. So let's have a summary of the applicable industry and materials can be printed by this machine. Okay, first is about the industry. I have already introduced several of that when we are presenting the samples. So here you can see this mini prototype can cover all those industries like the packaging, printing, food, beverage, pharmaceutical, chemical, cement, and other industries. And for the materials, it's widely applied for the metal, plastic, wood, stone, like some metal thing like the aluminum or some also galvanized and carbon aluminum, or some cardboard, this is paper box, and building materials. Inkjet printer of permeable surface and impermeable surface, they can both satisfy. Like for the permeable surface, you can see the plain cartons, templates, textile, and for the impermeable surfaces that are bags, tubes, or some glossy cardboard. Okay, okay, now let's see the samples we just made here. Here we can see, this one. This is the paper carton. Here you can see. Here you can see. We not only print the logo, the brand of Perfect Laser, but also the barcode, the barcode with clear bars and the numbers, the serial numbers. Okay, so that's all for this samples. So now let's give you a detailed or a precise parameters about the PM600A. Yeah, here we go. Wow, a lot of models, right? A lot of models, but don't worry, they're actually necessary for you to understand the better of this machine. Okay, about the printing speed, you can see up to 45 meters per minute, and the printing speed does not change due to the increase of the number of printing lines. And for the graphics, no matter logo graphics, they can be imported through a USB stick. And let me see, the printing accuracy is very important. It's 300 dpi. But one thing I should mention is that our inkjet printers can actually cover 300 to 600 dpi. And for this one, it's only 300 dpi because you see it's a mini type. And the next thing is the printing RAWs. It can adjust, it's adjustable for 1 to 7 line printing barcodes. And for the distance, it's 2 mm to 5 mm. And yeah, let's see. The serial number can vary from 1 to 8 variable sequence numbers. And one more thing is the message length more than 2,000 phones. So don't worry about the length. The phones has more than 2,000. And let's see, the printing phones have more than 30 kinds of phones. And this is satisfied for all the machine we have made. For the inkjet printers. And for let's see what else you may pay attention to. Okay, here is the character height. It's 1 mm to 12.5 mm. So you can have a evaluation about yourselves, character heights with together with yourselves and ours. Okay, now let's see the last samples. The last samples made by our engineer. So what we are going to make, let's see. Let's move forward it. Okay, now this time is a rotary, it's a cylinder bottle. Yes, plastic. Some protective liquid inside of it. Okay, now let's see what kind of patterns we are going to make. Oh, this time is our brand name, our logo here. We will print on the body of this cylinder surface, like here we go. Ooh, finish, less than 1 second. Here can you see that clearly? Okay, you can see that. So we can see that this small industrial inkjet printer, thank you so much. This small inkjet printer can not only print on some flat materials, but also some cylinder materials, the unflat surface. Okay, now I think it's time for us to finish the introduction of inkjet printer. The number is PM600A, and let's close it. Engineer, could you please show us how to close it? We just by click the switch will be okay for us to close this machine. As we have known how we can open this is by click this switch and close it just by. Can you see that? Close it just by click the switch. Okay, we have done it. Yeah, right. We have done it, and we finished this machine. And again, maybe we should emphasize our promotion policy. If you like this machine, the 600A, please don't forget to buy it in our September event. So we can see different from the 600A, it has 2 parts, right? It has 2 parts and even larger than the former one. So this is the belt. This is the belt, and the behind of it is the control box. So before that, we can see the introduction of our 100B. The 100B, it's pretty simple. I can give you I can give you a quick introduction. Okay. This is a common one. This is a common one. Most customers who may not, who don't have a deep understanding of our printers, or they have a tight budget, to buy a inkjet printer, they can choose this one because this is cost effective and is economical for your choice. And for this one, you can see we can print things include the barcodes, manufacturer's logos, product tracking information, time, date, and as well as the production lot numbers. And also we have this, for like some optional items for you to choose. This have the belt. Also can give you the rotary system, so you can choose the suitable optional items for your choice. Okay, now let's see. Thank you. Let's see let's give a closer look of this machine. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Okay, here. Can you see that clearly? I think you can see this part clearly. Okay. Here we can see it has a LCD screen, right? Can you see that? Let me try. Oh, perfect. Okay, this is the screen of it. And it has the friendly interface. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have 6 items, 6 columns for you to choose. Like you can create the information and you can scan all the information and to set the printings and set the ink and set the system. Yeah, and also you can stop it or open it anytime if you want. Okay, now let's see this part. Yeah, this part you can see there are some plugs here, some ports here to connect the power. And here you can see, here you can see it's also the power switch inside of it. And can connect the pipe, connect to the printing head. Okay, inside of it actually we have the ink tank as well as a thinner tank, because different from the 600A. 600A is only have the ink tank. It has no need to dilute the water, the ink. It must have the thinkers to fix them together, and to get a whole ink roll system. You can see. You can see this will connect to this ink roll system to the head. So this part is the ink roll system. When it operates, the ink will from here, and to operate together with the integrated electronic circuits. And let the ink turn from this place to formulate a ink stream, and so that it can connect to the head. And when the head see the objects on this belt, it will be here you can see that when he see the objects here, he will investigate the objects and operate immediately. And after it finishes its work, the ink will return back to the system. So it will be what we say is really high efficient for you, and as well it will save your cost, because it will not waste any other ink inside of this tube. It will just return back to it and save until next time the bell is open, the operation is beginning. Okay. And let's see whether you can. Is it okay to open it? Is it okay to open it? I'm asking our engineer. Maybe we can see that later. But if it's not okay, don't worry about that. You can, because you can still see the videos in our product page just by click the product list at the bottom of our live streaming, and you will see the 100B is in number 2. It's in number 2. You can see that. Okay. So you can see. So we can open it, right? Yeah. Okay. Here you can see. Wow. Let's see it. Let's see. Can you see that this is the ink tank, as I mentioned? This is the ink tank, and this is the thinner tank. This is the thinner tank. For a ink, we might need 3 units of the thinner. Yeah, and if you have a large production, we recommend you prepare the 5 units in ink and thinners for your future. Yeah, thank you for your future preparation. And here we can see the gear pump. There are so many different pumps here, so they can reach the high performance, the group performance when it operates. Yeah, here we can see because we have this cover. The ink inside of it will not volatile outside, right? Will not volatile. Okay, here. And also pay attention if you are going to use this for years, pay attention to clean it. So later on I will let you know how to maintain this machine. Okay, now it comes to this part. Yeah, you can get here. You can have a closer look at this pad, this printing pad. Yeah, okay, you can have a closer look of this printing pad. And here we have the triple holders. This is used to stabilize the whole machine, so it will not shake, it will not vibrate. So it can promise the high precision of our printing, right? Okay, now let's see what else we are going to see. Okay, that's all for this part. So, okay, here. So we have the belt here. So how to operate it? We actually have the belt control system here. This is the switch here. So when we open the switch, we can adjust the frequency of the belt by rotate this for lower to higher. You can choose the speed you want. Okay, now let's welcome our engineer to present us how to open it and how to operate it. Okay. Okay, have you opened it? 已经打开了是吧？ Okay. So you can see the screen here. We have a start print. Yeah, we have the start print button. Just click it, and then put our items here. Oh, 这个对吧？ Okay, put our items. Today's object is the water bottle. The water bottle. Okay. Is that finished? This one. Okay, this one. Yeah, it's the expire date of this bottle. You can see. Can you see that? Ooh. Can you see that clearly? Okay, you have seen that. You have seen that clearly. It's the expired date. Of course, you can print the serial number here. And later on, I will let you see more samples. So about this product is we should also let you see the applicable industry and materials you can cover. Actually, it's a fast, reliable, and non-contact inkjet printer that can be printed on surface. Okay, the printed content can be time, product date, expired dates, as we just printed. Yeah, here, as we just printed the expired date, as well as the logos, protection, tracking informations. And for the materials, this one is the soft drink plastic bottle, right? And also they can be used in the food packaging or some cosmetic glass bottles, as well as the medical box. And you can see it's mainly applied to plastic papers, metals, glass, and wood and other materials. Normally it covers most plastic materials and some metal materials. Okay, now let's see another samples we can make. Welcome our engineer to make another samples. Okay, this time is the paper cut. Okay, this time we will print the production dates. And before that, we have to check the information we are going to print. And after he finished, we'll let you see the display. Okay, now we are choosing the files. Guys, could you see? Yeah, you cannot see that. Talking about the maintenance, actually there is a notice. Yeah, there is a notice. The yellow color, the yellow color sticked it on the body of this control box. So you can see how to maintain it for days, for months, or even for years. And later on, I will show you the details. So for this object, it actually have the optional items for you to choose, like the conveyor belt, as well as the speed control switch. The speed control switch at the bottom of this belt. These are optional items. Even without this belt, it can still work. So if you want to accelerate your operation, you can use this. And for this one, I should mention is the photoelectric switch of the inkjet printer. This can achieve the sensing and the coding function. When product is coming, the photoelectric switch will sense your items, and the inkjet printing will begin after it sees the items, sees the objects, and then they can print the required text on the product immediately. And once they cannot see that, it will stop automatically. So using this electric eye can ensure that the printing is synchronized when the product coming. So here you will see that. You will see that when Have you finished? Okay. So at the waiting time, I will will give you a more detailed introduction of the maintenance. Now this time you have to see the, you have to see the information here. Can you see that clearly? Yeah, can you see that clearly? For each day, week, every week, month, year, 2 years, they are different, so please pay attention to that. For each day, you have to check the nozzle. What do you know what is the nozzle? Nozzle is this one. This one is the nozzle, okay? This one is the nozzle. Okay, to make sure it is clean before and after you use it every day. And check the ink pad before turn on and turn off to avoid the ink blocking. Yeah, the ink pad is the pipe here. So you have to make sure the ink pad before turn on and turn off is smooth. It can smooth working. And for every week, you have to check whether the machine case of the inkjet printer is clean. And however, for the 4 to 6 months, one thing added, that is the pre-pump filter, the dilute filter, and the vacuum filter of the ink system according to the operating environment. So all these filters is inside the control box. I just open it to have you remember that? So you have to see that again for no matter they are the vacuum filter or the dilute filter. See that, check it, and sometimes to change it. Okay, and for every year you have to replace the vacuum pump if necessary. Yeah, and for 2 years just check the air pump whether it is necessary to replace it. And of course, we have the scare pump. You can buy it from us. So if you want to save the delivery fees, you can actually buy this machine with this gear pump or vacuum pump for preparation, like 3 to 5 units of them. And for the visual inspection, is that before you do that, you scan it all over again. You scan it to check the connection of the cable, conductor, and adapter to see whether they are wear off or damaged, as well as the pipe. The pipe, you have to see that whether it's loose, getting loose, or have some damage will leak out, and check the machine as well as the nozzle to see whether it's leaking. Okay, so now we have finished it, right? We have finished the preparation. Okay. Okay, now let's open it. Open this belt by click the button, the switch button. You can get a closer look of this. As I mentioned before, here is the optoelectric switch. This is optoelectric switch. So it can investigate or test the objects when it's here. You can see the light is on. You can see the light is on, right? And then it prints. When he see this object, it print. And when it cannot see any objects there, it will stop operates. Here. So it can guarantee all the information is precise. There is no repeated information on 2 or even more items. Right. Okay, now let us see what we are making here. Okay, can you see that is the production date? It's the production date here, and has this period of validity. Okay, that's all for this. That's all for these samples. If you have any questions, please let us know. Oh, hello, new friends, Ray Chrysotomo. Welcome to our live streaming, and as well as the Malamutus Stalionos. Welcome. Now today we have give you many promotion policy for you. Okay, later on we'll let you know. Before that, I will let you know the detailed parameters of this 100B of this 100B. Okay, now let's welcome our host Fiona to let's welcome our host Fiona.
Hi guys, I'm back. Can you guys see me? Okay, thank you, Miss Autumn, for the detailed introduction of this inkjet printer. So, and basically, I'm pretty sure you guys, if you follow us and watch the live streaming, I think you have an overall understanding of how to choose the different type. And guys, please remember, we also Perfect Laser provide the special service for you guys. So if you guys have any like special needs, like you want your own image or you have your own materials, feel free to send it to us. We can make the free samples for you guys. Okay, so Miss Autumn, here are some questions from our customers. Would you like to answer the questions for us?
Yeah, it's my pleasure.
Okay, so let's have a look. So question number 1. So what materials can be printed by the inkjet printer?
It can print on many materials such as the paper, wood, plastic, glass, ceramics, etc. And there should be no water and no oil on the surface of the material.
So many different materials can be printed.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, so second, number 2, can it print recognizable QR codes on the barcodes?
Yes, we have special high-resolution inkjet printers. It can print recognizable QR code and barcodes, such as PM 600 series, PM 900 series, and it can be scanned by scanners and mobiles.
That sounds great. Then number 3, can it print on the wires?
Yeah, you can work together with a meter counter and a photoelectric sensor to print on wires, and as well some cables. While the diameter of the wire should be more than 5 millimeters, please pay attention to that. If the wire is too thin, it's not easy to be sensed.
And then can it print with white color?
Yeah, we have white in color type. The model is PM100C. It can meet your requirements. The black color is common for to use, and other colors you can choose is white, red, yellow, blue, green, etc.
So and
normally normally I have to mention that normally only one inkjet printer can support the white color. Changing different colors of ink will cause the ink pass blocking, so one time for one color. And while our PM 600 and PM 900 have an ink cartridge, so for these two models you can change different colors of the ink cartridge. Yeah.
So normally like one machine, one color. Right?
Yes.
Okay, and then how to install and run the machine?
Our engineers have already installed the machine and software well before shipping. We also will send you training video and the user's manual along with the machine. It's really easy for you to learn how to operate it. Actually, nearly 99% of the customers can learn it by themselves.
Wow, sounds so cool. And are you a factory or a trading company?
My dear friends, we are a factory. We have more than 20 years experience in producing the inkjet printing machine. We also have customizability according to your special requirements. So you can be rest assured to order from us.
Okay, and do you have any certificates for the machine?
Yeah, of course we have the certificate. Our machine has passed the CE and ISO certificate and is compliant with European safety standard. The quality is ensured.
Wow, okay. And guys, please stay with us. I will later show you guys the certificates. And how long is the lead time?
The lead time is 5 to 7 working days.
It's very quick. And how about the warranty?
Okay, normally our warranty time is 12 months, while in our live show today, we can prolong it into 2 years warranty for the whole machine. It's really a good chance for you to order it right now.
And what is the payment method?
We can accept many payment methods such as the bank wire transfer, Western Union, Alibaba Trade Assurance, so you can choose anyone that you like.
And what about the packing?
Actually, we have 3 layers package. For the outside, we adopt a compound wooden case, and in the middle, the machine is covered by foam to protect the machine from shaking. And for the inside layer, the machine is covered by thickening plastic bag or for some waterproofing.
And then what after-sale service you guys provided?
We're responsible for providing 24 hours after-sales service and free parts for replacement during the warranty period. The software can be updated anytime. So if you have any questions, we are happy to reply you within 2 hours. So please be rest assured to order from us again.
Thank you very much, Ms. Autumn, for all the detailed answering, and I'm pretty sure it's very helpful us. And after all the introduction about the machine, and if you have any question or if you're interested, please feel free to contact with us. You can send a message, or you can call us, or you can go to the website, official website, to check the videos. And okay, so I want to show you guys about the certificates. So as you can see, all our machines is qualified. We have the certificates from CE, as you can see here. And this is, and so you know, you have no worries to buy the machine from us. And one more thing, as you can see, we also have the gold supplier certificates, and which is certified by SGS. And as we all know, SGS is a certified international institution. So, you know, it's really safe to get a machine from us. Okay, and now I'm going to welcome you, the new friends who just joined our live streaming, and also for our old friends, I want to remind you one more time about our coupons and lots of good benefits from our live streaming today. So first, as you can see here, so we have a lot of coupons. You can go check in the product list, and you can collect it. And if you want to order any machine, you can use it directly when you place the order during this month. So as you can see here, if you order more than $3,000, you have $50 discount off. And if you order more than $7,000, you can have $100 discount off. So it's a very good deal. And besides this, we also have the warranty. So 12 months, normally it's 12 months, and now we have 24-month warranty. So it's very nice. And please, one more thing I want to mention. Please, when you are watching if you are watching the live streaming, please, we really need your support. Please give us a like right here, the button. You can click the like and send us your likes. And plus, you can click the follow button. Can you see here? And then you can subscribe our channel so that you can find us next time easily. You can watch our live streaming. And okay, so besides those coupons I introduced to you guys, and for today's live streaming, we prepared the benefits for you. So as you can see here, we have the lovely red cute gift. So it's 3 pieces unit. And as you can see here, we have the notebook. It has all the Chinese characteristics. So it's very nice. And it has a pen come with it. So you can use the pen to read the note. And besides these two, and we also have the very useful USB. And you also can send us the picture or the logos you want to us to market for you. So it's very great deal in our live streaming, and that's gift was for if you order over $5,000. And okay, let's have a look here. So as you can see here, this lovely 8 pieces unit. This is the one, the whole set of the tablewares. You can share with your families and have a great time with your family. And this, you can easily get it if you order more than $7,000. So you can have the coupons, you can have the lovely gifts. It's very great deal. So if you are interested in our machine, which we'll introduce to you today, the Inkjet printer, and you can just go to our website to check more videos about it, and you can call us or you can chat with us. You can ask any question about the machine, and our sales manager, we will quickly reach to you and we will answer your questions. Alright, so let's welcome back our Miss Autumn. So just in case you cannot watch the video right now, but so it doesn't matter, you can still enjoy the coupon as long as you can do the screenshot and you can send it to our sales manager just to show you have watched the video. So guys, my friends, so now you can come take out your cell phone. Take out your cell phone, and to do the screenshot, just send the screenshot to our sales manager, and then you can still enjoy the coupons and the benefits, the lovely gifts, okay? So are you ready? All right, so Miss Autumn, you can count down with me, okay?
Okay.
Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so did you do the screenshot? Okay, so now that's all about our the Inkjet printer. So if you think, just like I said, if you are interested or if you like our machine, because today's live streaming, we prepare a lot of coupons and lovely gifts, and they are all valid during this September, because we want to celebrate the shopping festival with you guys. Alright, so above that is all the introduction about the Inkjet printer. So now we're going to move to next machine to you guys. So yeah, today in our live streaming, we prepare another machine to you. So just stay with us and you will find more information with you. Okay. Good. Can you guys see me, and can you see my face and hear my voice clearly? Yes, you can type 1 and you can send likes to our live streaming. We need your support, my friends. Okay, so hello everyone, welcome to our live streaming and welcome to Perfect Laser. I'm today's host, Fiona. And first, it's my great honor to introduce Perfect Laser to everybody, my friends, to you. And so first, Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturing of the industrial laser and CNC equipment since 1995. So till now, we have 20 years history. So we have a lot of products. Our main products include dot pen marking machine, inkjet printer, laser marking machine, laser cutting machine, and so on. We have a lot of machines. And in total, we have 20 series and 300 types. And all our products, we have the certificates from like CE, ISO, ROS certificates, which certified by the professional international institute like CE, CE and the SGS, like I said before. And we have, so as a result, our products has been exported to more than 180 countries like Germany, USA, Japan, Italy, Turkey, UAE, and so on. And we also have 63 national patents, and our core technical achievements can reach international professional level. So you have no worries to buy the machines from us. And besides that, I want to mention about our team. We have really great teammates. 95% of our teammates, we are bachelor and master degree. So we can provide you 2 hours quick response and 24 hours after sales service to the customers to all the world. And our goal is very simple. We just want to provide the high valued products at reasonable prices, and also we want to provide a reliable customer service to all of you all over the world. Alright, so today I'm going to introduce you the dot peen marking machine to you, and before that I want to introduce you the promotion to you guys again. So first, please my friends, please follow our channel. As you can see here, the follow button. Please subscribe our channel so you can find our live streaming easily next time. And please give us a like right here, the right side button. And please, we need your support. Thank you very much. And so I'm going to introduce you about the promotion today. So during our live streaming, we want to thank you for staying with us and watch live streaming with us. Thank you so much for your time. And we want to also celebrate the September shopping festival. We prepare all the different coupons. As you can see here, if you order more than $3,000, you can enjoy $50 discount. If you order more than $7,000, you can enjoy $100 discount. It's a very good deal. And what's more, you can also, if you recommend one new buyer to buy the machine from us, you can enjoy free parts which worth $100. So it's really good deal. And besides all the coupons, we also have the lovely gifts for you. So for this one, if you order more than $5,000, you can enjoy this lovely 3 pieces unit. Can you see it clearly? So this one is the traditional Chinese. We have the gift. We have one notebook. It's very nice, very useful. And we have one red pen. As you can see here, you can use the pen to write the notes on it. And also, we have the USB. So for this USB, we can also make the special logos or image or names for you. So it's very nice. This one is the extra gift for you if you order more than 5,000. And for this one, if you order more than 7,000, you can take it home with you. The extra gift. This is one set tablewares which has 8 pieces. It's very nice deal. And it's as you can see, the beautiful Chinese style flowers. It's very nice. So my friends, please, if you are interested in our machines, please contact with us. And you can call us, you can send the inquiries to us, or you can, just send us email, call us, and anything, get any ways to contact with us. Thank you so much. And now, so I'm going to invite Miss Autumn, who is very professional in this field, and she's going to introduce introduce the machine, our dot peen machine to you guys, the marking machine. So let's give a round of applause to welcome Miss Autumn.
Autumn is back again. Any new friends here? Welcome again for you all you guys. And now it's time for us to discuss more about the marking machine, right? The dot peen marking machine. So no more words, so let's just see the samples directly, okay?
Yeah.
And now let's see the samples. As you might know that the dot peen marking machine is especially designed for materials that are most for some hard materials like the metals and some hard plastic ones. So here you can see, it's really simple. Here you can see this aluminum sheet here. You can see a beautiful butterfly on the surface as well as the production date. You can show it to us. Thank you so much. And this might be from the auto vehicle parts as well as the motorcycle or something like the pipes, the pumps, or even the engines. So you can see some of them are from the industrial equipment or mechanical parts, right? So here it's a pity that we cannot see the hard plastic, but that's okay because it is more widely used in the mechanical components. Here you can see, I think this one. Here you can see we give a samples that is still made by the aluminum sheet. And we print the serial number or production date on the side of this item. And you can see that this object is a cylinder. It's not a flat surface. So it actually demonstrates our ability to print the information on the rotary surface. So again, here is another cylinder materials. I think this is stainless steel, right? Maybe it's stainless steel.
Yes, it is.
And one thing different is we printed the ruler on the body of this cylinder. Because sometimes when you are operating in some big constructional objects, subjects, they may need these rulers to measure, right? To measure the meters of something. So it's really helpful for them to have a clear, you can see, to have a clear, and distinguish the meters on the surface of the cylinder. And as well, we can see here are some nameplates. Some nameplates. This is made by the stainless steel. You can show that clearly for us. But this is totally different. You can design many beautiful signs, patterns, images on the surface of this patterns. You can also use it as a mirror. To check your appearance, whether your cosmetics are disappeared or something. Here and as well. We can see the logo of Audi. So after seeing that, you must know it's used for the vehicles, right? It's used for the vehicles. You can print your logos, print some patterns like the stars here. And if you can find more details, let's make a comparison. If you find the details, you will see this one, and this one. Let's make a comparison. Here, you will see the printing height. The printing height is different. In this surface, the words are just on the shallow surface. However, if you can see this, you can touch it. It actually printed more deeper, right? So the height we can print is between 0.01 to 2 millimeters. So you can choose the height by yourself for the customized design. Okay, and let me see. This one is anything over here. Here we can also here.
Let me show you guys.
Here we can also find out. The Perfect Laser logo is on the cylinder. It's on the cylinder surface. Okay, then I think that's all for the samples presentation. We because they are similar. So I guess you may see how we do that will be more interesting than just seeing the samples, right? Okay, thank you so much for your help of the presentation. Okay, now let's see. And as we have seen those samples, so what kind of thank you so much. So what kind of dot peen marking machine we actually have? Fiona, could you please help me to get this, to get this billboard here? Okay, what kind of dot peen marking machine we have? Let's have a review. Let's have a review of it. Let's have an overview of it. Okay, so they are similar because, as you know, is like how to say that is operated by the electrical energy. So they are similar. However, you can still find the difference. For the first three types, they only have the control box without the screen. So you have to connect it with an extra computer provided by yourself. However, we can offer you the softwares needed, and and the control box for your reference. Here is this one without the display. So obviously they will be cheaper. So if you have a budget, you have a small or relatively low budget, you can choose the first row of it. However, if you have more budget, you can choose the marking machine with the screen control box. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your choice. You can see here, this one is very special. This is called 200 plus 150 millimeter small electric marking machine. Actually, it's really high integrated. It will not need a display. It will not need a computer. It can operate rated only by this small part. You will find it easily to operate this. And as the precision is pretty higher, so the price of it might be a little higher than that. But who knows? You may like this one. So you can check more details on the product list. And this this number in our product list is 22. You can find it in 22. Okay, now let's see the second row. The second row you will see they are the flat markings with the LCD control type, and the rotary system can be seen as optional items for your choice. You can add it or you cannot add it. That's okay for you. And so the 100E and 025E we will display that later. And as well the 030E, you may see they're just similar. What is the difference? Later I will show you the difference among the three types about the parameters difference and the size, the dimensions difference. And here we can see it's a really large screen here, This is called the flange and flying wheel edge marking type. You can see it's large and it can even work on larger equipment. Here you can install your equipment, your materials here, your objects here, and it will finish the rotary marking for you. And it even have still have the 360 degrees operation. So feel free to get the larger equipment on this machine. Okay, so that's all for this series introduction. Now let's see what kind of materials and let's see what we are going to presenting you for its operation, for its functions, for its features. So the first one is the PEDQD030. Can you see that clearly? This is a little bit small for you guys. Okay, now as I mentioned, it only have this control box without the screen here, without screen. So we need to connect it with a computer here, with a computer. And let's come to this place. Let's go the camera. Let's come to display. Let's come to this place. This is Astro fan. Could you see that? This is the Astro fan. Yeah, this is Astro. How to say is the exhaust fan. So it can exhaust the heat outside of this machine to promise the smooth operation of this control box. And here we can see. Now let's come to the behind of it. If you find it is difficult for you to see the behind of this, maybe I can flexible. Yeah, I can flexibly move it. Just move it. Yeah. Here I have to emphasize this one. It's really crucial for us. It's the 19 core. Here is the 19 core aviation plug. So it can promise our high performance of this machine. And as well, we have this network wire so that it can connect the network with this telephone. With the computer, sorry. And we also have the air cooling system here. Yeah, the fan here. So the temperature when it operates can sustain at a stable condition. Okay, now comes to the this part. Let's come to this part. Okay, so we can see here again the 19 core aviation. The aviation plug will connect to this place. And this is the protection cover of our marking machine. And let's see inside of that. Here, can you see that? This is the marking pin head. It's so hard. The hard pin. Let me think about this. The hardness of it is 92. It's 92. Engineer 硬度是92的那个单位是
诺氏
啊？
印度是诺氏诺。
Okay, it's 92. Yeah, it's 92. I think it's HR, it's PR. Okay, I will let you know later. And also you can see inside of that you'll find the linear guide rail. The linear guide rail is connected with the XY2DC row system so that it can guarantee the low noise with a high frequency in its operation. Okay, now here you can see this one. These two sides of it will together with this, it doesn't matter. The two sides of it is the absorbing system. What it means of the absorbing system? It actually is made by the magnetic. So when you are operating these things when here you can see it's absorbed to the objects beneath of this machine. So it will not move. You can see it will not move. It's fixed. Yeah, it's fixed, so it's very stable. You can see it's very stable when it operates. And here we have the two sides of the handle, so you can easily carry it. Yeah, you can easily carry it to the place where you need to print the large equipment, which is not able to move, like some large mechanical equipment, like the pumps or the engines that are too heavy to move, So this will be very convenient for you to use, especially in some harsh environment outside of the workshop. Okay, and here we have the buttons. Here are the two buttons. it will be easy for you to open it and close it without the help of computer. You can just open it by here, by press the button, and have no need to operate something by your computer. Okay, now let's see these things. Behind of that, you will see this is the as we call it the dot peen marking machine. It should have the air compressor. Air compressor was not provided by us. You should prepare it by yourself. Please remember that. However, we still have the gas, here, the gas pressure meter. It will control and as well as to measure the gas pressure when you are operating here. In case the pressure is too high, the valve, here are the valve. It's such a pity that you cannot see that clearly. The valve will find it, will test it, and then it will stop the operation, And you can also flexibly adjust the valve to lower down or to speeding up the pressure and to control the frequency of it when you are using it. Okay, so let me see. That's all for this product's introduction. So let's welcome our engineer to.
Before the engineer show the sample with the dot peen marking machine, so my friends, if you are still watching the live streaming, please turn the phone volume down, and because it's going to be a little bit loud. You guys can turn the phone volume down, turn it down, and then now the engineer is going to show the sample for you.
Okay, now let's welcome our engineer. Let's welcome our engineer to make some samples for us. Okay, come here, our engineer.
As you can see here, so our engineer just made it for us, the logo, perfect laser. I'll show you.
Okay, guys, this material is carbon steel. This is carbon steel material. So, as we have mentioned carbon steel, let's see what kind of applicable materials and applicable fields. Yeah, it refers to. Actually, in the stainless steel, carbon steel, or mild steel, aluminum brass, or galvanized is kind of metallic materials, zinc, etc. For example, and some hard plastic can be imprinted by this dot peen marking machine. And for the applicable field, you can see the applicable field. No matter they are characters, numbers, letters, graphics, serial number, expiry date, just information the same as what we are printing by our inkjet printers. Okay, and as well, we also can print something on the motorcycles and the connecting rods, engines, steel pipes, cylinder and cylinder various stepper motors and mechanical parts. Remember, they are mechanical parts. And machine tools and metal pipes. Okay, just to be briefly introduced, they are like mechanical parts, aviation parts, something like the space components can be marked by our dot peen marking machine. Okay, so that's all for the applicable field. So now let's see another sample made by our engineer. Okay, let's see. Again, it's the logo of our company, Perfect Laser, with a date.
And still it's very loud, so the new friends and old friends, so you please turn your volume down.
Yeah, please turn your volume down, and let's just patiently wait it.
Okay, as you can see, our engineer just made another logo. It's a little bit. Okay, can you see it clearly? Okay, now it's good. It's focused. As you can see, the dot peen marking machine, it can, do, the material is very hard. So it's very strong, and as you also can see, the voice is very loud. So if you got this machine, you can set it up like with any picture, logos, numbers, or dates you want to do, and just put it into your the software into your system, and then you can just put the materials. So it can go on the very hard materials, like this is like steel and the stainless steel. So you can just set up all this. It can just do like as you wish. You can do like, you can put the logos, the pictures, the names, or the numbers. And once again, I want to remind you one more time about our promotion today in our live streaming. So thank you so much for staying with us for your time. So we prepare all the different coupons. You can go check in the product list. And we have also a lot of lovely gifts. So for this one, if you recommend a new user to buy the machine from us, you can get this $100 worth, which like you can get for free machine parts. And for this one, if you order, can you see it clearly? If you order more than $3,000, you can get $50 discount. If you order more than $7,000, you can get $100 discount. Okay? So don't hesitate if you are interested. You can send the inquiries to us. Alright, so are you guys ready? Because Miss Autumn got more information to introduce to you guys. So please stay with us and please follow our channel. So after you subscribe our channel, you can easily watch our live streaming next time. And please give us thumb key, click the likes. Thank you for your support. Alright, so now let's welcome Miss Autumn.
Okay, thank you, Fiona. As we have seen two kinds of materials made by our 030, so you have clear understanding how it operates and what kind of materials it can work on, right? So now let's come to now let's come to the next machine. We are going to introduce you the PEQD 100. It's a little bit similar with this one, but I will let you know the difference parts of that machine. So yeah, here we go. Let's come to this place. This place here. Yeah, can you see that clearly? I think you can get a closer look of this machine. Yeah. So first, let me introduce the same parts, right? The same parts is the control box, right? And with the extra fan here and the switch here, and as well as the 19 core. Yeah, I will go to the behind of it and have the 19 core. Yeah, have the 19 core aviation block here. It's in this place with a air cooling fan here. So the control box, this place is similar. However, what is inside of this? I forgot to mention that in the last machine. Actually, inside of this is our control system, like the stepper driver, like the stepper motor. So these two items will give us a good performance with a high precision, as well as to try to lower down the noise it may create by this machine. even though the effect like the effect is a little bit small, but however it's still worse, right? Because the sound is pretty loud. Okay, now let's come to this part. It's more complicated. So from the up to the down, let's see. Here we can see it's the lifting handle. It's the lifting handle here. You can adjust it. Yeah, like I'm doing this. You can flexible adjust the lifting distance between the objects with the here can you see that the pin head the point of the pin and the surface of the objects, the height can be adjusted by this. And then we can see here is the protection cover. Here is the protection cover. It's really heavy and firm. You will not be easily destroyed, And inside of that, there are similar things, same things with the 0 to 0, right? With the 0 to 0, it has the XY2D system, XY2D moving system, and with a linear guide rail. And of course, we have the belt to promise the smooth transmission. Promise the smooth transmission. And here you can see we have this is the bottom plate. We have to put the objects on it. It's different from the former one. In the former one, don't have any platform because they can flexibly moved to the other place. But this should be here. This should be stabilized in here. Okay, so we give it a like this is also made by some metallic materials as the bottom plate, so it will be it can carry a heavier weight for the objects, like because this kind of auto vehicle parts or some engines, they are heavy enough. So if these are too heavy for the bottom plate, it will be destroyed easily. So it's really important to have a firm, sturdy bottom plate. And here we can see here is the gas pressure meter, and this is the high frequency valves. The high frequency is imported from the USA MAC brand. The USA MAC company is pretty famous in the world. And we got this is only for one reason. For one reason, that is to give you the good quality as much as possible. Okay, now let's see how we can operate it, how we open it. So welcome our engineer here. Please come here to operate for us. Thank you so much. Yes, it has no screen. We have to connect it to a computer here. Okay, now let's welcome our engineer. Okay, can you see that? Guys, can you see that? This is the information we are going to print. We are going to mark perfect laser with this is a series of characters and numbers and the dates, the production dates or the expiry dates. Okay. finished our samples. Let's give a closer look of this. Yeah, this is perfect laser with a like a serial number or some any design that you want to show it, and also the production dates. Okay, you can actually edit it directly on our computer. You can edit it or adjust the letters, the characters, or the different fonts by this software. We have already installed this software in our USB, and we'll send it to you together with our USB, and you can just plug it here. You can just plug it here. Then you can operate it very conveniently. Okay. Now let's see. Okay, well, I think we should take a break to, if you are making another samples, we should take a break, and let me show you more details about this machine. It actually have some optional items, because you can see here are the working platform, which is flat, right? However, you can actually add this. Yeah, you can see add this rotary system. So we prepared you with some optional items for your reference. Here, can you see that clearly? Yeah, okay. This is the rotary fixture. This rotary fixture is for marking on some cylinder parts. I can show you one example. The cylinder. Yeah, I will show you the example, the cylinder part, what it looks like. And also we have the nameplate fixture and markings. Yeah, that's it. This is the cylinder materials made by the aluminum. You can see here. This is actually can be made by the rotary fixture. You can install this one on the bottom plate of our machine. Then you can make this one. Okay, we also have the nameplate feature. What it looks like here, you can see there are two. Yeah, here there are two holes. You can see there are two holes here. So you can handle it on your vehicles, on your cars, right? On your cars. And this special design is made for fix the nameplate when marking and to avoid its shaking during marking, to make the marking more stable. So yeah, here you can see this two part is made for the nameplate feature. Now let's give you a closer look of our machine here. You can see this one. This one can be used for the nameplates, materials. Okay. Okay, now let's welcome our engineer to make another samples for us. Well, what it will be for this time? Let's welcome our engineer. Okay, now this time we let you see the samples. Okay, here, can you see the samples? Yeah, the samples is the aluminum materials. It's aluminum material, and we're going to mark set 的信息是不是这个？
把它换个方吧。
Okay, now this time we'll change the information we're going to mark. This time we're going to change it. You can see here. You can see here. Let's see how he operates this. Let's see it. Yeah, you can see the awaiting. The awaiting information is in here, and we can directly change it. And here you can adjust here you can adjust the size, the patterns, the fonts. Yeah, the width, you can see the width and the height of it. And later on, I will let you know the parameters of these words. And also remember that we mentioned the character height is 1 millimeter to 12.7 millimeter. Okay, have we done it? 好了吗？
可以，把它这个你换一下。
Okay, I even don't know this font. I don't know this font. Sometimes we use the Roman, right? The Time Roman times. The Time Roman type of characters. And you can choose the one that you like. And you can even design yourselves by implementing yourselves design in our USB. Okay, you can see we're adjusting the position of this markings so that we can get the ideal one that we want to display in these aluminum materials. Okay, now we have done it, and now remember lower down the volume that we're going to make it. Okay. Adapted to the Windows system. No matter you have the XP, Windows XP or 10 or 7, they can be applied by our machine. And one more thing is it can support the designs format from Auto CAD or CorelDRAW. And for the fonts, you have multiple choices like the MG fonts, SHX fonts, and some other special fonts. Oh, okay. Now here we go. We have the samples for you. Here you can see. Yeah, here you can see. Yeah, I'm touching it. Here you can see this is the samples we have made. Yeah, again, it's very clear. And as I said before, the height of the marking height is from 0.02 to 2 millimeter to 2 millimeter. Okay, now let's see. Now let's see the last machine. We are going to introduce you the 025E, the 025E. Okay, again, I'm going to work on the behind of this machine so that you can see it clearly. Guys, can you see me clearly? If you can see me clearly, please let me know. Okay. Okay, now here we can see this one. This is pretty nice. I think it's pretty nice because of this rotary fixture. And this is the biggest advantage of this machine. You can compare that. Okay, let's do a comparison with this one and the former one. Camera, could you see that? Yeah, what is the difference? Of course, it's the rotary fixture. The rotary fixture can support the cylinder materials, no matter they are metallic or plastic or hard plastic materials. It can be made by this. And I guess you must be interested in how it works, how it can print, how it can mark the cylinder materials. Okay, so I will let you see that later. And another thing is about this, the control box here. The control box have a screen, have a LCD high resolution screen. Yeah, so you have no need to prepare your computer on this control box. You can just choose it or edit the files. Yeah, edit the files by click it. Here you can see clearly of this one. Yeah, you can see clearly of this one, and you can edit the it's the online touching. It's the online touching screen. Yeah, you can see you can edit your information directly through this screen. Yeah, it's really easy to operate because you can see the screen. The interface is simple. It's simple and can support different languages. Okay, now let's welcome our engineer to present us how to open it and how to operate it. So let's welcome our engineer. I'll let our engineer to open it once again, so please patiently wait. Okay. Alright. Here we can see. Yeah. Let's patiently wait. And don't you remember we have the good promotion policy today in our live streaming. So Fiona, would you please repeat that again about the shopping festival?
Yeah, we have lots of coupons, and you can get you can click from the product list, and you can see the coupons. Which if you order more than $3,000, you can enjoy $50 discount, and if you order more than $7,000, you can enjoy $100 off. And besides that, if you can recommend a new buyer to buy the machine from us, you can also have a $100 free parts. Okay, now the engineer is ready.
Okay, now let us see how we open it. Okay, first here is the switch, the power switch. We open it, and then we see the screen. It's waiting for several seconds. Okay, here we see, can you see that? Here we see the interface. And you can see the first button here is the starting button. So we just click here to start our operation. And then we get this surface. And open next thing is open the files that already saved in our USB or in our this control box. So here we see this We see this patterns we are going to mark. Can you see that? Yeah, well, can you see that clearly? Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's see it. This is a ruler we are going to mark. This is a ruler. Okay, you have already seen that. Okay, let's welcome our engineer back. And the next step is next step, okay, everything has done here in the control box. Next thing is to open this. Open this marking head.
Okay, let me show you. This one just made by our engineer. You can see. Okay, I'll show one by one. So if you think it's useful for your business, don't hesitate to contact with us. And we have lots of benefits during our live streaming right now. You can check with the coupons, and also we have the lovely extra gifts for you. And if you have any question about our machine, you can also just send it to us. You can type it directly on the screen, or you can just call us or contact with us. We have the professional sales manager will answer your question. Okay, so since the engineer is still preparing, let me show you about our sweet gifts.
Okay, before that, I think you might be curious about the working principle of this one. So let me show it to you. First, this can support both 2D and 3D materials, no matter flat or rotary. Yeah. And the principle of it is used the vibration generated by the compressed air and the mechanical devices to work. Yeah, here you can see. Here you can see clearly. So it can use the vibration generated by the press, air, and mechanical devices to work. Okay, so it can support the flat working as well as the unflat working surface. Yeah. Okay, and the last thing I was promised you is the difference of the three types, the parameters difference of those three types. It's really important for you to understand this. Okay, so let me briefly introduce that. Please, thank you so much. Please remember that only one of it is the rotary marking. That is the last one, the 0, 2, 5, and the others you only are fat marking machine, and they are suitable for the different materials. Only this one can make some rotary marking, some kinds of steel, stainless steel, iron, copper, aluminum alloys, and etc. And about the 030 is as is possible, so it can meet the demands for some large size and unmovable metal items. Is really important if you have to mark something like this for like this, like the pipe cleaning, or even some non-metallic workpieces that are large. Yeah, okay. So that's all for today's. Yeah, that's all for today's introduction of the whole three machine. So can you still remember this machine? If not, please let us know. I will give you more introduction of that. Okay, now let's welcome back our Fiona.
I'm here. Okay, thank you for the detailed introduction about the dot peen marking machine. And same, if you have any question, please feel free to ask us, and we will answer you during the live streaming. And Ms. Ottoman, here I got some questions from our customers. So question number 1, what kind of dot peen marking machines do you have?
We have flat marking type PEQD100, the rotary marking type 025, portable marking type 030, LCD control type 100E. We also have some special design types such as the flange marking type, cylinder bottle neck marking type, and etc.
Nice. So we have lots of different models for you to choose. And second, what materials can be marked by the dot peen marking machine?
It's applicable for many fields such as the automobile, the motorcycle, mechanism, petroleum, electric apparatus, etc. So it's suitable for marking some different metal materials such as the stainless steel, carbon steel, and mild steel, aluminum, zinc, brass, galvanized plate, and many hard plastics.
So basically, it can be marked on all kinds of materials, metals, and some hard plastics.
Yeah, that's right.
And how about the marking speed?
Okay, the marking speed is 1 to 4 numbers. And for English, it's 3 nominal height per second. We can do deep marking on the products.
And what is the marking area?
Take our PEQD100 flat marking model for example. The standard marking arrow is 150 plus 100 millimeter, and we also have many optional marking arrows such as 200 plus 100 millimeter, 300 plus 200 millimeter, or we can design the one that you need.
And does the machine have consumables?
Yeah, the consumable is the marking needle, while as our marking needle is made by imported hard alloy, is under particle producing techniques. Okay, techniques. And the hardness can reach 92 HRA and can mark on various kind of metal as well as many high rigidity materials such as the bearings, gears. When you place our order, we'll send you 2 sets of the fitting parts, including the marking needle, the spring, position switch, rubber washer, and free of charge to you along with the machine.
That's great.
But one more thing I should mention, the value of the fitting parts is 65 as our marking needle can be resharpened by sanding machine, so it can be used for at least 5 years. We also recommend to have 1 to 2 sets for your backup, so you can use the machine for at least 10 years without any different problems.
Wow. And then what is the software of the dot pen marking machine?
The software is operating under Windows system with friendly interface and powerful functions. It can support many formats. It has many setting choices for your marking, series number, jumping numbers, dates, number, logos, and graphs.
And what format of What format of files is supported by the machine?
It supports file with PLT and DXF formats.
And what is the auxiliary gas?
We actually have the compressed air with auxiliary gas.
And what's the highlight for the machine design?
As you can see, the machine is compact and practical. We have made many effective improvements on design, such as the dust-proofing, damp-proofing, shock-proofing to ensure the long-term and steady performance of working in any places.
Perfect design. Then how long is the service life?
Through constantly effort by our engineer in recent years, our dot pen marking machine have made a great deal of improvements on its capability and reliability. The lifespan can be at least 10 years. So perfect laser with completely product inspecting measures, professional after-sales service can make sure you have no worry for the machine using.
Wow, so 10 years lifespan. That's awesome. And then are you a factory or a trading company?
Once again, we are a factory, my friend. We have more than 20 years experience in producing the dot pen marking machine. We also have customized abilities according to your special requirements, so you can be rest assured to order from us.
Do you have any certificates for the machine?
Yes, of course. We have passed the CE and ISO certificate, and it's compliant with the European safety standards, so the quality is ensured.
And we will show you the certificates later, okay? And how long is the lead time?
The lead time is just 5 to 7 days, 7 working days.
It's very quick. Then how about the warranty?
Normally, our warranty time is 12 months. While in our live show today, we can prolong it into 24 months warranty for the whole machine. So it's a good chance for you to order it right now.
And what is the payment method?
We accept many payment methods such as the bank wire transfer, Western Union, Alibaba Trade Assurance. You can choose any one that you like.
Yeah, so many ways of payment available. And can you arrange shipment for the machines?
Yes, of course. We can arrange shipment based on FOB, CFR, CIF terms by sea or by air. We have very professional team for shipping. For ESW price, shipment can be arranged by your shipping agency. So just give us your address, we'll deliver the machine to you.
Very convenient, huh?
Yeah.
And what about the packing?
We have 3 layers package. From the outside, we adopt the wood craft case. In the middle, the machine is covered by foam to protect the machine from shaking. And for the inside layer, the machine is covered by thickening plastic bag or the waterproofing.
So we will make sure it's safely packed. And what about the after-sales services? What kind of after-sales service is provided?
My dear friend, we are responsible for providing 24 hours after-sales service and free parts for replacement during the warranty period. So please pay attention. The warranty time is 2 years in our live streaming only. The software can be updated anytime. So if you have any questions, we will reply you within 2 hours. So please be arrested to order from us, and we are very glad to receive your orders or even the request.
Very nice, and thank you so much for the detailed answering. And I'm pretty sure will help our customers to understand more about our machines. Yeah, and if you have any question, please feel free to contact with us. And one more time, I want to show you about our certificates because I know a lot of customers, you are wondering if are we qualified. And yes, of course, all our products are certified by the International Professional Institute. As you can see here, we have the gold supplier certificate. Can you see it clearly?
Yeah, they
and
can
which is verified by the SGS. And as we all know, SGS is a very professional and a international institution. And so all our machines are compliant with the European level. So, and you can see here, this certificate is CE, as you can see here. Yeah, so my dear friends, so you have no worries to buy the machines from us. And plus, today during our live streaming, we prepare lots of good benefits for you. Let's have a look. So before that, please follow our channel, subscribe it so you can easily find our live streaming next time. And please give us a thumb key. We really need your support. Thank you very much. And in our live streaming, let's have a look. What did we prepare for you? So if you recommend a new buyer for us to buy the machine from us, you can have the free parts, which worth $100. And if you order more than $3,000, you can have $50 discount. And if you order more than $7,000, you can have $100 discount. So it's really good deal. And remember, all the coupons are valid during the September. And besides all the coupons, we also prepare lovely gifts for you. So let's have a look, check it out. What is this? So we prepare the 3 pieces unit, which you can see there is a nice notebook. It's all the Chinese characteristic. So it's very nice. And we have a pen also coming with it. Can see it. And plus that, we have the USB. So if you want any logo, we can also mark it for you. Okay, so this is an extra free gift for you if you order more than 5,000. And if you order more than 7,000, you can get this nice set of tablewares, which will have 8 pieces in a set. So it's the traditional Chinese porcelain. So it's very nice as well. So this one is the free gift, extra gift actually, if you order more than 7,000. All right, so just in case you cannot watch the live with us, but you can still give us the screenshot if you watch the video. And you can send the screenshot to our sales manager, so you can still enjoy the benefits, enjoy the coupons, and you can still get the free gifts. So my friends, you can take out your phone, and I will give you 10 seconds to do the screenshot. So Miss Autumn, are you ready to count down with me?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's do it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so I believe you got a screenshot, and then you can send the screenshot to our sales manager. So just to prove you have watched or you have been attended to our live streaming. So, and that's pretty much for our today's live streaming, and we have introduced you about and we show you the samples, and we show you how to using our dot pen marking machine. So I believe after the whole live video our show, I believe you have an overall understanding of our machine. And if you still have any question, you can go to our official website there are more videos to show you how to operate with our machine and more details information about our machines. And you can check more machines, not just only that peen marking machine. And if you like it, please don't hesitate to contact with us. And remember, all the coupons and the gifts are valid during our September. So it's valid for this month, the end of this month. So, and that's pretty much. And thank you again. And time flies. So now our live streaming draw to the end. And thank you again for your staying with us, for your time. And thank you once again. Thank you very much. And please don't hesitate. Please place the order if you're interested and contact with us. And thank you very much. And Perfect Laser is willing to be your reliable partner from now and forever. Thank you very much. And good to see you again. See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.